If your iPhone shows signal but you can't make or receive calls, and you see the message "phone not allowed for voice," don't worry. In this video, we'll cover 13 quick fixes to restore voice service, plus one solution for deeper system-level issues. Part 1. Why is my phone saying "phone not allowed"? Carrier lock, damaged SIM, SIM not activated, unpaid bills, weak signal, incorrect settings, blacklisted IMEI, incompatible device, software bugs, call barring, VoLTE conflicts, carrier outage. Part 2. How to fix phone not allowed for voice in 13 basic ways. Fix 1. Reinsert SIM card. Fix 2. Toggle airplane mode. Fix 3. Verify device compatibility with the network. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Fix 5. Check call barring settings. Fix 6. Reset APN settings. Fix 7. Inspect device locks. Fix 8. Check IMEI status. Fix 9. Dial unlock code. Fix 10. Check for software update. Fix 11. Check network operator settings. Fix 12. Boot into safe mode. Fix 13. Contact carrier operator. Part 3. How to allow phone for voice in a definitive way. System-level issues like the allow phone for voice error can be fixed with Android Repair. It targets deep system and network glitches, restoring normal calling functions. Unlike basic fixes, it's an expert solution for complex errors. How to fix the phone not allowed for voice with Android Repair. Open the software and go to System Repair. Connect your Android device via USB and select Android Repair. Review the info and click Start. Enter device details, click Next, type 00000 and hit Confirm. Follow the image to enter download mode. Once in download mode, click Next to download the firmware. The tool will fix the error.